Hey everyone. Okay, so my Stamps of Life order came in and I wanted to see, I know some people were complaining and I thought, I wonder what it was that we got. Because I kind of had an idea, but I didn't know. We've been getting a lot of freebies and that's been really cool. And every month we get a freebie. And this month it's a flower. How cute is that? I love it. Thank you. And okay, so it's a camper, which I thought was adorable. So I did see it. Okay. People were complaining about it. They're like, what are we going to do with the camper? And so I'm like, well, it says on there, happy camper, always take the scenic route, live, love, camp. This is how we roll. Let's wander, adventure awaits. It's just for fun, you guys. It really is. It's just fun. And they have buy and sell boards. You can totally sell it and get your money back if you want. But look at how cute. You can totally color this. You can fussy cut it, so you can fussy cut, you know, when you fussy cut, you stamp this onto a pattern piece of paper, you cut it all out, and you can have different backgrounds on your image here. So you don't have to just stamp it black and color it with Copics or anything like that. You can actually put it on pattern paper and then cut it out. And then it has a flamingo, a campfire. How cute. And then that little nub right here, it's for here. It holds up the camper. So it's a stake. And then you have the matching die set. I love it. I love it. I think it's cute and I think it's fun. And you know what? I'm going to play with it. So, alright guys, that's it for this month. I can't wait till next month. We'll see y'all later. Bye. Hey everyone. Okay, so I got my Felicity Jane order in. I didn't see any sneak peeks on this one actually. I don't know what the name of it is or anything. So, oh, look at this one. This one is still nice. Usually they come a little crumpled and stuff. That's a nice bow and it looks good. Oh, I love these colors. Okay, let's look. Let's pull this out. Oh, and there's actually no shred in here. Ooh, you know what? It's this thing that was in there, right? Was that in there? I don't even know what I grabbed, but I love it. I love the no shred. Because, you know, like I said, a lot of stuff gets lost in there, so it's, yeah, I don't think it's needed, but I mean, people love shred, and they'll put it away and put it in their stash and everything else. It's all cool. I like, if it came with this, I like that more. You can get shred at the dollar store, too, if you really love it and need it. So we have the safety pins, paper clips, which come in this little container, but I love their paper clips. They're the little chunky little fat ones. Love it. Those like a purple. So what is it? Oh, this is Kayla. Kayla is the name of this one. So it's a summer theme. Love that. Okay. So that's that. Let's go with this one. And we have, let's see if we can get closer. So you have a beach umbrella. Can you see that? Beach umbrella, a camper. Oh, another camper. And sentiments. It says hotel, camper, beach, summer adventure. These are the little chipboard stickers, or chipboards. Chipboard bits. I love the colors. It's awesome. Oh, and you have a vellum alphas. It's all puffy, so I think it's just the way it is. Maybe got warped a little. But these are the hot pink, and they're vellum stickers, so you need to put them on a black piece of paper or put them on a white piece of paper and then cut it all out in order to see them. So these are the photo frame pockets. That's awesome. Love those. Those are the pretty colors here. And ooh, what are these? These are new. These journaling tags. Ooh, fun. Fun, fun. Ooh, and it's one, ooh, nice. It's still in one holder. Let me see, I'm trying to get where we're not getting so much glare. But it's just so white on white. That's why it's hard. So you see when it's not white on white. And hold on, that's the scanner. Alright guys, it's a vehicle accident. So when there's a vehicle accident or a wildland fire, there's more tones. So these are all white. Oh, look at, they have little punch outs. A wildland fire. Okay, and then these are called die cut shapes. Let me get closer. Oh, so pretty. I love their roses and their tags. So fun. All right, we have the 3x4 cards. Oh, look at that. And you can cut those. I love the color combo in this one. It's just the color palette I love. I love this green. And this is a purple. I love this. Awesome. Yeah, I do. That is amazing. Yep. Oh, look how fun. So, what is this? So, oh, how pretty. Tulip, watermelon, pinkish, pinkish, sunshine, clover, bluebell, and grape. Those are the color palette in these. Oh, I love that. You can cut those out and then, yeah, totally build on that. That's awesome. We have the roses in the back. It's usually a black and white on the back. Watch this one be an orange. Oh, it's a gray. See, I was still wrong. Oh, usually they're, or wait, is it usually these are the ones that are, these usually don't have a pattern on the back. They're one-sided. These are double-sided. Duh. Okay, it's been a while. Because you know what? I think the last few packs I haven't taken them out of the actual, like, package. So, you know, I don't think I have. And then these are always double. I love that. I love this is an awesome collection. Yeah, and then you cut this out, cut off the top, cut off the bottom, and then you can use the scallop, and this is all usable. You can cut off the black too. So, very awesome. I love it. This is a great kit. So Kayla is a good kit. Alright guys, I'm so happy with this one. Super fun. Alright, well take care. We'll see y'all next month. Bye.